Today we're looking at part number 93001. This is your trailer spindle D-shaped Tang washer for your 1-inch diameter D-shaped spindles. So this is going to work on 3,500 pound axles, 52s, 6s, 7s, and 8Ks for a Dexter axle that has that D-shaped spindle. If you can see that right there, it's not fully round because it's flat right here on this side. And that's what Dexter's known for, is using those D-shaped spindles. So you would stick this on the end of your spindle, and then you would take one of these guys right here, and then you put that on there, and you'd bend these little clips over, you see, to kind of keep that nut in place. So this is a real common little piece that you really need to have on your axle to hold it together. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.